For real estate brokers, PropBot is the connected hub that brings your brokerage, agents, listings, contacts, marketing, analytics, and property records into one shared place. A broker is not just managing transactions. They're managing people, agents, listings, sellers, buyers, builders, developers, vendors, marketing, property information, client communication, and the reputation of the brokerage. Most brokerages already use the MLS. PropBot does not replace it. The MLS is only one part of the sales process. PropBot adds a connected layer around every listing, giving your brokerage a place to showcase properties, track engagement, organize updates, support agents, highlight brokerage activity, and preserve the history behind every property. Create a public brokerage profile. Invite agents and team members. Show available properties. Highlight featured listings. Share news, market updates, announcements, and press releases. Promote open houses. Display builder and developer inventory. Give buyers, sellers, agents, and partners a better way to follow your brokerage. When a property goes to market, PropBot helps brokers and agents understand more than whether a listing is active. Track views, contacts, walk-through interest, buyer engagement, property updates, photos, files, listing activity, and other signals that reveal how the market is responding. That visibility helps brokerages make better decisions. Refresh photos, adjust pricing, improve marketing, optimize open house strategy, support conversations with sellers using real engagement data. For agents, PropBot provides a better workspace to manage listings, contacts, updates, and client activity. For brokers, it delivers a clear view of team performance, listing activity, market interest, and opportunities that need attention. For builders and developers, it creates a stronger connection between available inventory and the agents bringing those properties to market. For buyers and sellers, it provides greater transparency around the property, its activity, and the information connected to every transaction. PropBot also strengthens your brokerage's public presence. Show your listings. Highlight your team. Share market insights. Demonstrate community involvement. Display professional partnerships. Build a trusted record that supports your brand. The idea is simple. List through the MLS. Market through PropBot. Track engagement. Support your agents. Promote your brokerage. Preserve the property story. PropBot for brokers helps real estate teams move beyond disconnected tools and into one connected operating platform for brokerage growth. Create your free PropBot account. Claim or create your brokerage profile. Invite your agents. Add your listings. Share updates. Track views, contacts, walk through interest, and buyer engagement. Help builders, developers, sellers, and buyers with better property visibility. Start free today at propbot.com and build a brokerage that's easier to discover, easier to manage, and ready to grow. PropBot for brokers. Unify your team. Show your listings. Track market response. Grow your brokerage. And help every property tell a clearer story.